Let's see an example of chain rule. We have this function here, fx equal square root of x squared plus 1. We can write fx as y equal the square root of u, and u equal x squared plus 1. This is the chain rule, the derivative of y in respect of u, and the derivative of u in respect of x. Then we take the derivative of y in respect of u, and you get this term here. And here we take the derivative of u in respect of x, that's 2x, that's here. We can cancel the 2's, and the u is x squared plus 1. Then we get this result. What we are doing here is, instead of calculating directly the y over the x, we added the u in the denominator and numerator because it's simple to calculate this derivative here and this derivative here, then try to calculate the derivative of this function in respect to x directly.